to Friday of week 19. We are in Africa and today we'll visit Tanzania. We have Mchuzi wa samaki. I most probably did not say it right. It's basically a fish stew. We have some pomfret or pompino here. These are pretty big fish. So I have two of them. I scored it on both sides, salted it and kept it. And then for the sauce we have some onions, garlic, a little bit of oil, tomato puree, curry powder, and you can see the British and Indian influence in that, some lemon juice and some coriander. Normally what you do is you would cook the sauce, put the fish in and finish the fish in the sauce. I think I'm going to fry this a little bit, just a tad bit, not too much, just to give it a little bit of color. And then we are going to make the sauce and then put the fish in. So let's start cooking. Heated the pan up, so we'll put a little bit of oil. Just swirl it around so that the oil is coated, and then dry the fish as much as possible. And then always put it away from you. Turn the fish over. So you can see it's lightly fried, very lightly. We'll fry the other side and then the second fish. Fishes are fried. So in this hot pan, we'll add the onions. Lower the heat. We fry the onions till golden. Put in a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. About the cast iron pan is that it holds the heat. So I lowered the heat to about low to medium, and then fry these onions till it's just starting to turn golden brown. The onions have started to caramelize, you can see. We'll add the garlic. We need 3 cloves of garlic. And this is curry powder. It's already started giving off the curry smell. We'll add the tomato puree to this. We'll add the coriander, about 75%. Then we'll leave a little bit for garnishing. We'll add a little bit of water. So this is about 3/4 of a cup. We'll bring it to a boil. Let's taste it. It certainly needs salt. Taste it again. Yes, the salt level is good. Seasoning is on point. So now we put the fish in. And just spoon some sauce on top. We'll cover it and cook it till the fish is done. It's about 5 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the fish over and let it cook on the other side. So very gently. And then we'll spoon some of the sauce over. Mchuzi wa samaki from Tanzania is ready. So you can see it's very simple, very easy to make. Please do try. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bon appetit and see you next week.